President Draupadi Murmu today conferred Bharat Ratna, the country's highest civilian's honor, on former Prime Ministers P.V. Narasimha Rao and Chaudhry Charan Singh, agriculture scientist M.S. Swaminathan, and two-time former Bihar Chief Minister Karpuri Thakur posthumously at a ceremony held at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid homage to revolutionary freedom fighter Swamiji Krishna Varma on his death anniversary today. Indian Navy rescued 23 Pakistani nationals from Somali pirates during a 12-hour-long operation in the Arabian Sea. India Meteorological Department has forecast a fresh spell of intense rainfall and thunderstorms over northeast India from today. The opposition India bloc will organize the Safe Democracy rally at Ram Leela Maidan in New Delhi tomorrow.